Want to learn how to change the background of your video in Capcut on Mac or PC just like that? It's super easy and I am here to walk you through its step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, import your video to the timeline. Once you have imported your video into the timeline, you will want to duplicate the clip. On a Mac, just hit Command plus C to copy and Command plus V to paste. And on PC, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Now you have two identical clips stacked on top of each other in your timeline. Next, select the top clip, head over to the Remove BG option, click on Auto Removal. Just like that. Capcut will remove the background from your video. No green screen needed. Now let's add a new background. You can find some awesome ones in the Stock Material tab. Pick a background you like. Let's use this one for an example. Drag and drop it onto the timeline right below the top clip. To make the edit even smooth, let's add a transition. Go to the Animation tab, select Slide Up and apply to it. Check it out. Here is how it looks. That's how you can change your video background in Capcut. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.